Hey everyone, it's Melody with Design by Melody. I'm here with a really quick haul as well as my winner, my giveaway winner. So I had a couple people enter my giveaway for the chipboard. I have it all packaged up here, and our winner is Carolyn Alt. I only had a couple people, so I didn't do a live drawing or anything like that, but this is just a random picking of the giveaway winner, and it is Carolyn. So Carolyn, make sure you send me a message to my email, which is always in the description box below, with your address, and I will get this package out to you. I've already got it ready to go. I just need your address. So I'm going to set that off to the side. All right, and since I needed to announce that winner, I decided just to go ahead and share with you a quick haul, and I primarily wanted to point out these. So I found these Heidi Swapp stationery embellishment kits at Michael's, and so they were originally $14.99 and they're marked $3.99. But when I picked them up, Saturday, I guess, they were 50% off the sale price, so they only ended up being $1.99. which I think is a pretty darn good deal for something that was originally $16. And it says they've got address labels, notepads, confetti, alpha stickers, and epoxy stickers. Let me see if the other one's the same. Yes. But I thought this was a cute little embellishment set for just $2. I thought it would be something that could work really well with scrapbook pages or with Project Life. If I can get it open. Jeez. And my Michaels had, I debated going back and getting one of each color, but there was a line and I didn't feel like it. So if I go back and they have it again, I'll buy it. But this is the notepad, and it says a note just to say, and then you get, 5 of those, and then just a banner, you get 5 of those, and then another banner. I thought that would be a really pretty, on like a title card. I love this for journaling. Could totally make that work on a card or on a Project Life page. Or on a layout. And I'm always a sucker for some either address labels, or you can cut these apart and just use them as labels, and you could just layer a sticker over where it says please deliver to. So I thought that was handy. And then it has a whole package of confetti, which I love the little bag itself. But you can always use these as embellishments. Why am I struggling? Why can't I open it? There we go. Oh, that's a cute little envelope. But it's got a whole bunch of confetti in here. Different coordinating colors. You get your epoxy stickers. I love that navy. It's super pretty. And then your alpha. And this is just like an aqua blue glittered alpha, as you can see there. So that was $1.99. I think that's worth it. I think that's cool. Just gonna kind of put this in my stash. And then this is the pink one. Basically the same thing, just slightly different. Let's see. These have rounded, instead of being banners, these are more like rounded corners. Gosh, y'all, I'm struggling. There we go. There we go. The confetti is different shades of pink and white. Your cards, still again 5, 5, and 5. You get Hey Friend, just a circle, and then this could be a banner if you wanted to cut it out. But this one has rounded corners. The other ones had square corners. And then this one doesn't even have a deliver to, and neither does that one, but 2 of them do say deliver to. But again, super cute colors. This one has phones, ampersands, different glasses, and then hearts, and then a really like rosy pink glitter alpha here, and it's got hearts at the bottom. There you go. So, and geotags. So I thought that was really cute for only $1.99. I wanted to share it with you. Just make sure it was not marked that way. It was only marked to $3.99. So if you look for it at your Michael's, just run it through the scanner price checker thing and just see if it comes up for $1.99. But mine did, so when I go back there, I will definitely look for more, because I think that's a cute little set. So let me just share with you the couple things that I've picked up over the last couple days at Tuesday morning as well as at Hobby Lobby. So there's this, which is it says Love This Week. It's the Me and My Big Ideas large sticker book, I guess. It's $5.49. I have been looking at this since it was actual regular price at Michael's. It's regularly priced $19.95, but look how many alphas you get. Gold, black, green, purple, all, I think it's all the same fonts. Like a pink, a red, silver, blue, a lighter blue, and an aqua. It's super cute. I love this font. This one. You can see it a little bit better there. I think that's really cute. So for $1.50, I get 30 sheets of alpha stickers. I have a slight obsession with alpha stickers. And look at this one. Got this one from Hobby Lobby. So you get 2 of each sheet. And I always love the Tim Holtz like typewriter ones. And this really reminds me of that. This is Creative Devotion at Hobby Lobby. And these were 50% off when I bought them. And then you get this one as well, which this would really work. So it's supposed to be for like Bible verses, but this would really work good for time stamping as well. And you get 2 of each of these. So these were 50% off or 40% off, so basically $2 for those. At Tuesday morning, these were 99¢. I'm going to do a little bit of a spoiler, but not really. Just something to kind of keep an eye out for. In July, I'm going to be part of a summer scrappy challenge, YouTube hop. And so I'm going to keep these out for that because it's for summer themed layouts. And this one is the little yellow bicycle summer fun clear word stickers. And there's a lot in here. Beach bum, sun kissed, sizzling, fun, sunshine and happiness, wet and wild, hot, cool, girls, days, nights, dudes, endless summer, barefoot, sun, hot, 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 fun in the sun. And you get a whole bunch of like graphics like the popsicle, the ice cream cone, the starfish, shells, flip-flops. So I'm going to keep that out for that summer fun challenge or blog hop or YouTube hop. I keep trying to say that I'm going to be doing. And then I got this at Tuesday morning. This was $1.99. Just kind of been picking up things that sparked my interest. And this is like a matchbook label pad. So you get like these little detail labels that are journaling spots. You get the who, what, when, where, why. No. When, who, what, why, wow. And they're perforated, as you can see on the back. You can cut them apart. Do this important reminder, don't forget, on the list. And then these are just icons, a heart, a male, a pointer, finger, camera, and an arrow. And you get 3 sheets, I believe, of each of these. Yes, 3 sheets of each of those. And those are from Fancy Pants. It's from their Joy Parade by Kim Watson. Matchbook Notelets is what that's called. But that was $1.99. This is Bella Boulevard Icons Boy, and it's the Secrets at the Sea. Yeah, Secrets of the Sea. So I'm going to put this with my summer layout set collection that I'm going to start pulling together here for that YouTube hop that I'm going to be a part of. So just keep an eye out for that. It's in July. I think my day is July 16th. So keep an eye out for that. You will definitely find out more. There's a lot of YouTubers that are a part of that. So keep an eye out for that because a lot of us are participating. These were 99¢. These are the Teresa Collins label stickers in blush. And these are super pretty. So I have noticed that I have a hard time with the labels. They end up being in cream a lot of the times, but as you can see, this is definitely a bright white with the blush outline, so I really like those. And you get a bunch of different sizes, like widths, and there are 42 pieces here, so there's a lot of those. And that was 99¢. I like these little matchbooks. I think they're super cute. I don't even use them near as much as I buy them, but I like them. Okay, and then a couple more things I got at Hobby Lobby that were on clearance. And these were right on the same display with these, but these were not on clearance. They were just on sale. These are the Paper Studio Petals and Blooms tags. They've got like this rosy pink, navy blue, and like a, it's kind of like a baby blue, but I think it's supposed to be more like an aqua. But there you go. Super pretty, but for 74¢. That's a really good thing to kind of have in your stash. There you go. 3 tags, Three colors, 8 tags each. And then this was also on clearance. And this was same collection, Petals and Blooms, and it was on sale or on clearance for $1.49, so $1.50. Let's just open this puppy up. So I've been finding some really good deals just kind of periodically, but I think this is the great time to grab these types of things because you can always use alpha stickers, you can always use labels, you can always use tags, those type of things in your layouts regardless of the season. So I think it's kind of nice to pick up a good variety of colors along the way. Oh, that was probably easier than cutting it. Let's see. All right, I dropped that sticker on the floor and I know it's going to stick to my foot, so it's going to bother me. But there are 339 pieces and it's called Floral Planner Sticker Pack. But I like the bright white. And this says 2016. But they're pretty thick. Like, it's pretty thick stickers. You got icons. These are definitely planner stickers, but there's a lot that you can use in your scrapbook layouts, especially Project Life. They're a really good size for Project Life. But it's got gold, that light blue, navy, yellow, black, and that rosy pink. Plus you got this really pretty yellow. Like word strips and icons again and banners. Decorative stickers, flags, arrows, circles. More decorative stickers and icons. These little like banner things. And then some banners and then like labels like birthday, date night, so on and so forth. But that would be really nice at the top of a picture too. So anyways, that is everything that I've picked up. It's just a very quick, short haul. Not a whole lot, but it's just some really good deals I wanted to share with you because if you're looking for these types of things, if I wait 3 weeks, it's going to be sold out by the time you go find it. So, Carolyn, let me know your address. I will get that shipped out to you. And if you guys liked any of this stuff, go find it. It's Tuesday Morning, Hobby Lobby, and Michael's. All right, guys, thank you so much. I'll chat with you later. Bye.